A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Greetings. You didn't know, say, the people them will believe in a Jesus and turn up strong for what God say. Say, them are going to rule with God for 1,000 years. Yeah, man. Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with all of your friends. And if you're not subscribed yet, do it now. Click the subscribe button and the notification bell to make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on right here. So today, I'm going to read from the letter we name Revelation, chapter 20, from verse 1 to verse 5. And me did see one angel come down out of heaven. Him have the key for the pit when I have no bottom. And he have one big chain in his hand. Him capture the dragon, the snake we debut from way back when, that are the devil and Satan, and tie him up for 1,000 years. Him fling the dragon in a pit when I have no bottom, and lock it up tight so he can't come out. Him do that so the dragon can't trick the people them in the world no more, till the 1,000 years them done. When that 1,000 years they done, the dragon I go get free for a little while. Then me see some throne, and the one them where they get power for rule, they sit down upon them. And me see the spirit for the people them who for head they get chop off, cause them believe in a Jesus and turn up strong for him and for God word. Them never worship the wild animal or the sitting where they make for look like him. And they never take the mark pan them forehead or pan them hand neither. Them come back alive and rule with Christ Jesus for 1,000 years. The rest of the dead people them never come back alive till the 1,000 years them done. This are the first time people are come back alive. And God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.